safe.
Watch out, you better not cry, you better not cry, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. 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 One more time. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Ho, ho, let's go. Ho, ho, let's go. Come on. Ho, ho, let's go. Ho, ho, we gotta go. Thank you, everyone. We love you. Come on, Smith Spoils. Give it up for Roxanne Pop Band, The Odds, and Randall Prescott. Thank you all for your warm hospitality and your generosity to your neighbors in the community. We're going to be leaving shortly, and I'd ask you to be very careful around the tracks, and especially the train. When we're about to move, we'll toot the horn twice, and I'd ask you to stand well back and be safe. On behalf of Canadian Pacific and the entire Holiday Train family, happy holidays!